What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be re-clearing this carbon fiber NRG spoiler. We're starting to see a little oxidation right here, and before the whole wing gets really bad, I'm going to shoot some clear to make it look brand new again. Of course, on the bottom side, still nice and clean. That's because the sun doesn't really hit it right there, so it still looks brand new. But on the other side that's facing up, it's not looking so great. So you can see a little bit of oxidation right there. So I gotta sand this down and get it ready for paint. But before that, we're gonna take off this hardware right here and these panels. Let's do this. Alright guys, so after sanding it, this is how the carbon fiber part should look like. It gets a dull finish. I know you see all those scratches, but all of that will disappear once you spray the clear coat. And then just to give you guys an idea of how it's gonna look like once it's cleared, pretty much add water, and the way that it looks, that's the way that it's gonna look when you add the clear coat. Or at least it should. There, so pretty much this is how it would look like if it had clear coat already. Obviously without all those little bubbles, but we'll see what happens. It's already starting to dry up right there, which is a good thing. That means it's been sanded pretty good. Again, this was just a light sanding, enough to get all the oxidation off. There was no peeling on this gel coat, which is a good thing. So let's get started. All right, so now I got the carbon fiber wing ready. I masked these plates right here because one of the 3 bolts was really hard to get off, and I didn't want to crack anything or mess it up and not have the customer be able to put that bolt back on. So I just taped those up, and I'm about to get this thing ready for spraying. I'm gonna make it look brand new again, so let's see how this turns out. For those of you asking, Shu, what kind of clear coat do you use? I use the Shopline clear coat. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. You got the clear and hardener. Good stuff. Also, shout out to Mesa Paints. They're the #1 sponsor for today's video, sponsoring me with these little mixing cups. What do you guys think? It's came out pretty good, other than the little bit of dust that fell on it, but I can easily buff that out. Just do a little bit of quick sanding on it and buff it out just to get the dust that fell on it, but it looks like new.
3 hours later.
Damn. Oh shit. But guys, I was just supposed to go get dinner and I ended up at this car meet. Pretty good turnout. Got a couple G's right there. Got some Hot Wheels.
Board out for the BRZ, the 86, the FRS.
God damn. I don't even want to start looking in there. I'll start buying some Hot Wheels. Wait, hold up. What do they got here? Oh yeah, I already got that one. Yeah, we got some VIP shit right here. Just a bunch of carbon fiber on this. That thing's pretty sick. Never seen that before. Got Miata gang right here.
Yeah. When you build a Miata, in the highest option. Yeah, it's cheaper to get cosmetically. I did pretty much everything. What's that?
Damn, look at the meats on this thing. Holy shit. Yeah, this thing right here is clean. I don't know what color this is. Is it maroon or like purple? Caesar's Fast and the Furious Civic right here. Not gonna lie, it's turning out pretty cool. He's adding all this old school stuff that people don't usually do anymore, like the underglow. He's got some neons inside. He got some buckets, sick grid buckets, and then he's got a freaking harness bar back there. And a paint job too. This thing was red before. See this thing everywhere. This thing's like Instagram famous right here. Damn. And you got Jackie right here just chilling. Always like these wheels right here. What do you guys think? Should I swap them out for the BBS's? I don't know. Always been tempted. What's in here? God damn, that thing's nice. Carbon intake. Got a bunch of goodies in here. This is a new guy right here. Never seen this one before. Got a 33 V spec. And got some fatty tires.
I like the V6 better. It has that whole little duct on the back.
I know there's a few people watching that would appreciate this anime stuff right here. Nice little MR2. Yeah, dude. Thirsty guy. That was a nice little meet, guys, not gonna lie. Stayed a little bit longer than what I wanted to. It's already freaking gonna be 9. I was only supposed to go out and get dinner. Ended up at a car meet, but it's all good. More content for you guys.
Alright, shoot, that's for you, brother. You want it right here?
Yeah, man, that's it.
Alright, yo,
thank you.
Have a good one, brother.
You too. Like I said, I was only supposed to come out and get some dinner, and I ended up at a car meet. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That was an unexpected car meet, and it turned out pretty good. So I hope I got enough footage for you guys to watch and enjoy. It's always nice to see other skylines. I don't know, boys, I'm kind of wanting an R32 now. That being said, guys, hope you guys enjoy it, and hope you guys have a good night. See you on the next video.